باب علامة المنافق. Chapter: The signs of a hypocrite. حدثنا قبيصة بن عقبة قال حدثنا سفيان عن الأعمش عن عبد الله بن مرة عن مسروق عن عبد الله بن عمرو أن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: 4 من كن فيه كان منافقا خالصا، ومن كانت فيه خصلة منهن كانت فيه خصلة من النفاق، حتى يدعها إذا اؤتمن خان، وإذا حدث كذب، وإذا عاهد غدر، وإذا خاصم فجر. تابعه شعبة عن الأعمش. Narrated: Abdullah bin Amr, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever has the following 4 characteristics will be a pure hypocrite, and whoever has one of the following 4 characteristics will have one characteristic of hypocrisy unless and until he gives it up. 1. Whenever he is entrusted, he betrays. 2. Whenever he speaks, he tells a lie. 3. Whenever he makes a covenant, he proves treacherous. 4. Whenever he quarrels, he behaves in a very imprudent, evil, and insulting manner." Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 17 narrations from Abdullah ibn Amr radiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our Siratemustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of Hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.